How do you benefit from the photostimulation related software developments?
We think and believe that this is an area where I think we're going to see really exciting results in the near future to use optogenetics now in a targeted way to stimulate or inhibit identified elements of the neural circuit. So we are excited about the possibility to develop the system and our system in particular here in the direction where we can carry out targeted two-photon stimulation of inhibition of identified cells or populations of cells or even subcellular compartments, since that would be a major step forward compared to that large-scale optogenetic that manipulation that are indiscriminately activate, stimulate, or inhibit that neural circuit component. Here we could potentially do a really fine scale dissected that manipulation, potentially depending on the online activity that pattern of the neurons.